Aslaam O Alikum. Today in this video I will show you how to download chatgpt in your mobile and iOS devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
First of all, go to your Chrome browser and then in search tab type here chat GPT and press enter. And the first option, OpenAI, introduce OpenAI ChatGPT, and then click on try ChatGPT, and then click on three dots at right top corner here, this time, and then go to add to home screen, and then type here new chat, insert chat GPT and add it, and then add. This chat GPT is added to your home screen. I hope you understand this.